In front of me is iPad Air, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access passwords. Now enter your passcode, and to add a new one use this plus at the top right corner. Then select new password in the pop-up and input all of those informations. At the top you can add a title, then input a website, username, email or phone number, and last but not least, passwords and even some helpful notes. When you finished, hit done at the top right corner. As you can see, after that my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!